In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to print mailing labels from Google Sheets. If you've ever found yourself needing to produce labels efficiently and seamlessly, you'll find this guide incredibly valuable. So let's dive in and simplify what could otherwise be a time-consuming task. First, open up your Google Sheet containing the list of addresses or information you need for your labels. It's essential to have all your data in a structured format, with the columns properly labeled, such as name, address, and so on. This organized approach will make your label creation process much smoother. Next, head on over to the toolbar at the top of the Google Sheets window and click on Extensions. Extensions in Google Sheets are incredibly helpful as they add functionalities that aren't a part of the default options. Here, we'll use an extension that specifically caters to creating and printing labels effectively. Once you've clicked on Extensions, you'll need to navigate to Create and Print Labels, Label Maker for Avery and Kobu. This is a powerful tool that makes the creation of mailing labels intuitive and straightforward. Selecting this option will lead you to the Label Creation screen. In this screen, you'll see an option to Create Labels. Go ahead and click on that. Now it's time to choose a template, which is crucial for ensuring your labels print correctly and align perfectly with your label sheets. Opt for the Avery US Letter 5160 Easy Peel template. Avery templates are particularly useful because they match perfectly with the pre-perforated sheets you'll likely be using. Following that, you'll need to select the merging fields. This step involves choosing which data will be included on each label. Typically, you'll want to select fields such as ID, name, department, and address, depending on your specific needs. Selecting these ensures each label is comprehensive and contains all necessary information. After setting up your fields, click on Create Labels. This action merges your data with the label template, creating a new document filled with personalized labels ready for printing. To move forward, click Open Document. This will open up your newly generated document in Google Docs, where you can make any final adjustments if needed. Next, click File in the top left corner of your Google Docs and proceed by selecting Print. Hitting Next then leads you to the printing dialog box. At this point, it's wise to check your printer settings. Ensure that the paper size matches your label sheets, and any additional settings like print quality are adjusted to your preference. Finally, click Print, and your labels should start printing. With these instructions, you're now equipped to efficiently produce mailing labels directly from Google Sheets. This method is not just a time saver, but also maximizes accuracy and professionalism in your label printing endeavors.